do this next after this one.
Yep, we are gonna do an episode of this. It's gonna come out.
Yeah, but that's my channel. This is my brother's channel.
Yep, and now we are doing Akedo.
Yeah.
So, I just got this today.
Yeah.
And I have my collection.
Yeah.
Which I have Crack Up. And
Yeah.
then I have
Oh.
the Axle. And then I have
How about dump them out into this box?
okay. Have the Crack Up and
Sweaty Bear.
oh, he's shredded.
He's sweating everybody. Ah, Sweaty Bear! Cut, Sweaty Bear. Cut out. Ah, there we go.
There. Dear. Let's push those aside. And then here's my collection.
Yeah.
Okay, so first up is Nate Blade. I have Nate Blade, and Nate Blade comes in this pack. So we got an extra one. Okay. Here's Nate Blade, and then here's Miss Slither.
Yeah. He was Miss Fliddle.
And then here is the Bone guy. He's from Series 2. And he comes with this guy. This guy glows in the dark.
Cool.
And then here's Shreddy Bear.
Oh, and we have Mom here on the penguin.
Yep. Shreddy Bear. And then we have this guy. He's Slam Granderson. And then we have Crack Up. He has a chicken.
You're too close.
Chicken. And then here's the Axle. He has an axe. My grandma, that's her favorite, Akedo Warrior. And then last but not least, here's Chuck's Lee.
Yeah.
Bam!
He's the one that doesn't work as well as...
Oh, because he has that chain weapon. He has a chain weapon.
It doesn't...
It flings around.
Yeah.
It flings around.
But it doesn't chop them in half that well.
Yeah, it does not.
But
Split Truck.
we still like him.
Yeah. And then we are gonna open this. It comes with little buttons. I'm gonna play. Okay, so we are gonna open this.
Yeah, you guys.
There's a lot of tape. I know that.
Hey, Dad, you said the get Mom come in the camera.
Oh.
There we go.
Jazlynn, talk to the viewers while I open this, okay?
I saw I don't know what to say.
Say something about the Akedos.
Okay, now you're opening the Akedos.
And we're gonna have a battle, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna have a...
We're gonna see how these new Akedos go against the old
Yeah.
ones.
Yeah, I have like... Now, Hayashi is a legendary, and then Toxinator.
That guy again.
Yeah. Toxinator is a epic, and then this guy is a classic.
Yeah, and so you guys, the way when we open it, we'll see you guys again. Let's
Should I pause the video?
Yeah.
You could pause it. Or do you just take a new video?
I've been trying to open this.
Okay, but Trinity and Matt in the let's say you guys wait and it's part of the video. Wait until they all done opening the things.
Oh. Yeah, well, some things take a long time to open, and some people want to
wanna
have
help
that
him?
on camera, and some people don't.
Yes, I got it. Okay.
You got it. He's
Unveil.
almost done. You got it.
Unveil. I need to unveil. Wait. Do not.
Okay, guys, now we're going to unveil this.
Yeah.
Unveil!
Unveil.
Unveil.
Oh my gosh, I'm looking at it.
Reveal.
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 Unveil.
Unveil sounds like it would work.
Okay, yes, I got that open. Okay, wait, okay. Okay, wait.
Hey guys, we're unveiling the final.
The final touch. Why does the person always say that?
You can do it. Come on.
Yeah, ready.
Wax,
Fine. Split
but
straw.
wax, but not weeds.
Good job.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did it. Now I just need the bottom layer.
Hey,
Mommy,
Mommy,
Look at
can you
this
get
bottom
that
layer.
out?
Ta-da! Here's a picture of all of them fighting, battling. It only comes with one controller. Okay, but this,
You have a lot of other
Then-
controllers.
yeah. Oh, and then here is this. It gives you all this.
This is the
This-
pamphlet.
Yes, it lets you look at all the characters from season 1.
Yeah. Oh, and this.
And Hayashi is
Coming
coming
out.
out. Oh, we need scissors.
Hayashi.
I'm gonna go get some scissors.
Yeah, we need scissors. Here. Show the camera this one.
Hi, this is the glow in the dark one.
I'll show the camera this one.
And this one, I don't know what this one is, you guys.
That's a training post. And this one is the ninja.
Okay.
This one is a training post.
Oh, good. Here. I'll do this.
This one is a ninja that we always have.
Yep. Oh, I love Toxinator. That's so cool. Oh,
And this
has
is
+1 in him. How much health does he have? He has 6 health and does 3 damage. And he's 5 valuable. And it comes with this training thing. It pops right on. Just do that. Like that. Like that. Yeah. And then you can train.
Oh,
What
here.
can it stick on?
Vincent.
What?
I got this.
Hayashi! And then here's Hayashi. He's the legendary. He has 6 health, 3 damage, and 6 valuable.
And let me see him.
I
gotta
love
get this,
Hayashi.
Comes with this blue controller, a golden
band off of him.
Akedo sign. Oh, that's so cool. I
Oh,
never had one
and-
of these
And
controllers.
this one is Suzu. This one's Suzu.
Oh my gosh, let me put this guy on this controller. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like, okay. Plop it on like that.
You know, we could have a fight with the glow in the dark
Yeah,
guy.
that's how it should walk.
Here, now you can put it on.
Okay.
And we could have a fight with the glow in the dark guys.
Yeah,
This is
Toxinator's
so
cool.
fun.
Oh. There's so much weapons on this.
Yeah.
Like a broom, a slappy hammer, a baseball bat, a sword, cut it in there, what is that? Huh? Then sticks, oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff.
That just like sticks onto things.
yeah,
They're supposed to.
well,
Not this. This isn't.
yeah,
flat
that
out, so-
that's not a right thing.
Well,
That's
this.
not the right it.
No.
You just make it wet and beat
Look,
with
look,
the
wait,
beat
Jazlynn,
sticks.
Jazlynn. Be crack up, wait. Be Nate Blade. I am. Oh. Okay, beat Nate Blade. Okay, now. Ready? Fight split strike. Look how hard it is. Oh, yeah, because I kicked you with my foot.
Yeah.
And it's hard to make him split strike. Oh, he has that. He has a square. Oh, that's weird of his split strike.
I don't
Okay,
want,
another battle.
I don't want to battle my best friend.
Oh, is that a new controller?
Yeah.
Is that like a different kind of controller?
Yep.
Oh.
That's the control that. This is the control that I like.
Oh, I like that controller too.
He's a legendary, so he comes with that blue controller because he's a legendary.
Oh, okay.
If there's a blue
Can you let
controller, he's a
Jazlynn
legendary. Okay.
Thanks.
He's Hayashi. Then I'm gonna be Toxinator.
Cool.
Hi guys, now you're battling.
I'm being Toxinator. I'm being Toxinator, and she's being Hayashi. Ready? Fight split strike. Oh, like, I'm trying to...
Fight.
It's hard to get to the high kicker's head. Oh, wow. Oh, I need train. Oh. Toxinator, tox him.
Oh, you got him.
He toxinated.
Oh, don't worry, Jazlynn.
Let's see what's
Vincent's
inside
really good at this game.
Yeah.
Hey, I want to see what's inside of him.
Okay.
Let me see this. I think we can.
Hey, I want to see what's inside of
Maybe on that wood.
Oh, that's cool. Now, where's the one more that we got?
It's stuck to the window.
Where's the one more that we got?
I feel like it can be stuck to there.
Oh, maybe.
Where's the one more that we got? We got 3.
Yeah, we got that ninja one, the pink one,
Pink one.
this guy.
But where's
No.
the other one?
Oh, the other one's right here. That was the third one.
Does it stay? It does not. It does. Wait, does it?
No.
Oh, it does not. Yeah. Where does it stay? Where
Hey,
does
I
it
want
stay?
to dig it.
It doesn't stick to most things.
Yay! Great
It's a suction cup. It only sticks to
Are we doing
the
more?
windows.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
In the Akedo Warrior. Oh, wait. He split striked. Are you mine? Let's have a Akedo ultimate battle. Okay.
Yeah, that training thing should like just hook onto these normal stands
Wait, is this
instead of
hey,
having
is
to have a glass
hey,
table.
Hey, is this
Like I don't know.
Hey, was this the training thing?
That's the training thing. That
Yeah.
in order to use, you would need a glass table. I don't know any
Because
other.
it can stick on the window. And
Because
that's
I
it.
don't know what else it can stick on
but-
besides glass. I don't know what else a suction cup can stick on.
Yeah.
I guess maybe a marble table if we had one of those flat marble slabs.
Right. That might
But
work.
other than like a flat marble or a window, suction cups don't stick to wood or other things.
So that might have been a flaw in the manufacturing.
I mean, that's just their choice. A choice they made.
On and on.
A flaw in the choices they made in the manufacturing.
Yeah.
It's not a.
It's not an actual.
It's not an actual flaw. It's just like a weird design choice.
Whoever was
Yeah.
green is tall, but
They just assumed people would have glass tables.
Or they just assumed that suction cups could stick to anything. That's one assumption that a lot of people make.
And
But
whoever was
Isn't
pink
true.
is tall, but
I guess some people might
It's
think
his
that.
buddy. He's a hit. Okay, against Wreck Up.
Okay, is this you're making
and
teams?
whoever
Yes, I'm making teams.
Okay.
This guy against this guy. Okay, wait. So, let's go on the first battle. It's gonna be this battle first.
Okay, these guys are
we
gonna
are
battle.
friends
Oh, you're gonna
and
do a
we are
tournament?
fighting.
Yeah.
Okay. So who's first?
It's Medusa and Toxinator.
Okay.
Ooh.
And
Okay.
and I'm going to be the sixth.
Wait, did you get?
We all-
Did you just get Toxinator?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We just got this one too, Jazlynn.
We're friends, but we're fighting.
Ready, fight, split strike! Oh, please talk to Tornado. I want him to be in the final championship. Yeah! Down.
Mom, I'm on our team.
Okay.
And our team is all the girls. But we only has 2.
Okay, next up.
There's 2 girls? I thought there was only 1.
No, there's 2 girls. See? 2 girls.
Oh, the pink one is a girl?
No, that's not a girl. That's a boy.
No,
It's a boy. No, it's a boy.
Well,
I saw the show. It's a boy.
It's
he talks
a
like
boy,
a boy. Yeah.
but he's pink.
Yeah. He's just so hot that he's red, fire, pink.
Wait.
So hot. He's just so hot.
I know. He's a girl,
Okay.
but he's
Are you gonna
like
finish up
a
the
boy.
tournament now, or should we?
No.
Okay,
no.
let's keep doing
Doesn't-
it.
it's
Keep
boy.
going. Keep going.
So next up, it is the Axel against. I forgot who this guy's name was.
I just call him the caveman.
Yeah, the caveman. Let's call him the caveman.
He looks like a troll.
Ready, fight, switch strike. Please, Axel, gonna bam, bam, bam. Yeah, Axel won.
Good job, Jazzy.
Okay.
He's all the good guys.
Okay. Now,
Next battle.
it's Chucksley against Nightblade.
I'm Chucksley.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready, fight, switch strike. Wah, yeah, boom, yeah, bum, 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 bum. No. Oh, yeah.
Get him, Chucksley.
Bam, bam. Chucksley can win against the ninja. Yes. I'm trying to get focused. Chucksley keeps blocking my every move. Yes.
I didn't block that move.
Okay.
Okay.
The ninja's the winner. Next battle.
Is Shreddy Bear against Epic Tailwind.
I'm Bloody Bear.
Okay.
Ready, fight, switch strike! Oh, I almost got you in the head. Ooh, check that. Oh, yeah. Yeah! Oh, I almost got it. Shreddy Bear may win. I'm stuck to his chain. Could win any moment. Oh, you almost did it. Almost did it. Oh, no.
I might kill myself too. I didn't kill myself.
Die. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. What? Who split striked? Nobody did.
I almost killed myself.
Yeah!
Split strike.
Split strike, yeah.
No, it's Clowny. Yeah. Again, taught by God.
Yep. Let's use Medusa's thing. Okay. Let's go.
I'm gonna be Clowny.
Okay. Ready, fight, split strike. He's a very good blocker. Gotta say, Clowny's a very good blocker. Crack up against Slam Granderson. Yeah!
Slam Granderson.
Yeah, Slam Granderson, I won.
Yeah, there's so many of these.
I'm gonna be Kickers.
Oh, wait.
Next time I'll have to battle you, Vincent.
Okay.
Do you want me to battle you now, or
Let's
you
do
still did
that.
Jazlynn?
I'm still beating Jazz.
Okay. Still beating Jazlynn. I'm in the middle of it. Don't interrupt me.
It's a whole tournament.
It's a whole tournament.
You can battle me later.
It's gonna be a long video.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to test him out. I'm going to test him
And
out.
mine is going to be a long video too.
Yeah.
Yep.
What if it comes with the What if it comes all with the ninja and the ninja fighting?
Oh, and this is the last battle?
No, these guys have to battle, and then the champion who they guys have to battle, and then to the finals.
She's gonna be battling for a while. It's gonna be a long video. Split strike.
Yeah, split strike.
You won.
See?
Next.
Okay, next. Come on. Keep it up. Keep it moving.
Next, guys.
Yeah, this is gonna be a long video. You gotta keep it moving. Keep the action full. Don't do that. No.
I
I don't know. She was just trying to put her hand over the camera again.
Oh.
So I want.
She wanted to do that thing where she puts her hand over the camera and then
Mom,
it
and then
goes to
I don't know how to do that.
already. It's an editing.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
It's an editing.
Okay.
I know, but I don't know. We have to plan that out later.
It's
We're not doing that right now.
against Axel.
Okay.
I hear me.
Are you gonna be Toxinator? Okay. Looks like I'm going to try to lose. I want Toxinator to beat me. But it doesn't split strike me. Can't even split strike me.
Oh.
I went like you.
Yeah.
I'm the winner.
That's up to Toxinator against the ninja. Who do you want to be? Okay. Ready? Fight split strike. No. Ninja's very weak. Ninja's very weak.
You may win. You may make me kill myself.
Oh no.
No. Die. I am alive. This is my shine. What do I want to put? Oh!
Yeah, it's like
Settling.
Oh, no! Oh!
I'm the champion.
That one works pretty well for you, huh? Try another one against him.
Okay,
who's
wait.
next? We're almost done.
Toxinator
We're almost done.
in the finals.
Oh, he's in the
Toxinator.
finals, so
is
you
in
have
the
to do
finals.
these guys first.
Yeah. Okay. So it's
That one against that one?
these guys against these guys. Okay.
Which one do you want to be? You have to be one of these two.
I want to be him. Okay.
She wants to be the guy she won with again.
You're fighting me when I
Ready?
got.
Fight. Good try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Woo!
And then you eat the hot dog what's inside him.
He's a strong one. What is
Yeah.
his name?
Epic tail whip.
Epic Tail Whip. Okay. And who is he again now?
Hayashi.
Hayashi. So
Who
you want to
goes
battle Hayashi and Epic Tail Whip next?
Yeah.
See who
I'm
wins?
gonna be Hayashi.
No, I'm the Hayashi.
But then you can be Hayashi in the finals.
No, I'm the Hayashi.
No, can't she be Hayashi
Okay, then-
now and then you be Hirashi in the finals and
Finals.
she'll be the other guy?
Well, if it makes it,
We'll see.
we'll see which one of these makes
Which one wins, anyway.
Ready, fight, split strike. No, I'm scared to hit Hayashi.
Don't be scared.
Okay. Yeah, go in for it. I'm going in for it.
A weakness is away.
No. My weakness is not today. What is this? I'm hitting
Who's
you in the
gonna
back
win?
of the head.
They're both really good.
But the Jazlynn's a legendary, and mine's just an epic.
So an epic can beat a legendary. It just depends on who's harder.
Oh my gosh, wait. This is like so good. Like it could kick him right in the face and he's dead. No. Immediate split strike!
A double split
Double
strike.
split strike at the same time.
Yeah!
Oh no, we're gonna have to battle all three of them. Or do these guys get eliminated?
We have to battle
all three of them. Yeah.
All three of them.
So this
Okay, all three of them for the final battle.
Jazlynn,
Final battle.
Dad. Nope.
No,
He's
Mom.
the cameraman, man.
Oh,
Mom,
I'll
you
do.
be,
Yeah.
You be that guy.
I'll be this guy.
Jazlynn, you be Toxinator. Ready, fight, split strike! Yeah, I'm killing everybody! No, Toxinator. Snow my feet.
Oh.
Toxinator's down.
Out.
Oh!
Oh, this guy wins.
This guy wins.
Hayashi!
He's the newest one.
The new Hayashi wins. All right. Good video.
Yeah. Goodbye, guys. Make sure to click
that subscribe
button. Turn on the notifications
And give us a huge
huge
thumbs up.
Bye, guys. See you in the next video.
Yeah, of the Jazlynn's channel with the Encanto Lego set.
Yeah, look on the other side. Look at the characters.
Yeah.